Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and exploring how it's transforming the way we learn. Imagine having a personalized tutor available 24/7, guiding you through complex subjects and helping you achieve your academic goals. That's the power of AI in education. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the most innovative AI tools that can enhance your learning experience, improve your understanding, and boost your productivity. Whether you're a student, teacher, or lifelong learner, these tools have something to offer everyone. So buckle up and get ready to discover how AI can help you unlock your full learning potential. Let's start with ChatGPT, an incredibly versatile AI that can revolutionize the way you learn. Imagine having a study buddy who can answer any question you throw at it, 24/7. Struggling with a complex concept? Ask ChatGPT for a clear explanation. Need ideas for an essay? ChatGPT can help you generate creative outlines. ChatGPT can also be your personal writing tutor, providing feedback on your drafts. Think of it as a brainstorming partner, a research assistant, and a writing coach. With ChatGPT, you'll never feel stuck or alone in your learning journey. Turn to ChatGPT for guidance and support on challenging assignments. You'll be amazed by how much it can enhance your understanding and boost your confidence. Now, let's talk about Khan Academy, a pioneer in personalized learning. Powered by sophisticated AI, it analyzes your learning patterns and creates a customized plan. Imagine getting stuck on a math problem. The AI walks you through the solution step by step. And it's not just math. Khan Academy offers courses across various subjects. Achieve your academic goals at your own pace. We all know how important it is to communicate effectively, especially in academic writing. That's where Grammarly comes in. Grammarly is like having a virtual editor by your side, constantly checking your grammar, punctuation, and style. It goes beyond simply catching typos. It helps you improve the clarity, conciseness, and overall impact of your writing. Imagine writing an important essay or research paper. Grammarly will highlight any grammatical errors, suggest better word choices, and even identify plagiarism issues. It's like having a second pair of eyes on your work, ensuring that your writing is polished and professional. But Grammarly is not just for students. It's a valuable tool for anyone who wants to improve their writing skills, from professionals crafting emails to bloggers creating engaging content. So, whether you're a grammar aficionado or struggle with the occasional comma splice, Grammarly can help you write with confidence and clarity. Chapter 4. Let's face it, sometimes we all get stuck in a writing rut. We stare at the same sentence over and over, trying to find the perfect way to express our thoughts. That's where Quillbot comes in handy. This AI-powered writing tool helps you paraphrase sentences, improve your writing style, and avoid plagiarism. Imagine you've written a paragraph that sounds a bit clunky or repetitive. Simply paste it into Quillbot, and it will generate multiple paraphrased versions, each with slightly different wording and sentence structures. You can then choose the option that best suits your needs, instantly enhancing the flow and clarity of your writing. Quillbot also offers a range of other features, such as a grammar and plagiarism checker, a summarizer, and a citation generator. It's like having a whole suite of writing tools at your fingertips, all powered by the magic of AI. Chapter 5. As students, we all know how overwhelming it can be to juggle multiple assignments, extracurricular activities, and a social life. That's where Todoist comes to the rescue. This AI-powered task manager helps you organize your assignments, set deadlines, and stay on top of your workload. Imagine having a digital assistant that reminds you of upcoming deadlines, prioritizes your tasks based on their importance, and helps you break down large projects into smaller, more manageable steps. That's the power of Todoist. But Todoist goes beyond simple task management. It also allows you to collaborate with others on projects, share lists, and delegate tasks. Whether you're working on a group project or simply need to coordinate schedules with classmates, Todoist makes it easy to stay organized and on track. Chapter 6. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to have a centralized hub for all your learning materials. That's where Notion comes in. Notion is a powerful note-taking and project management tool that can be customized to fit your unique learning style. Imagine creating a personalized study plan, complete with deadlines, checklists, and progress trackers. You can embed images, videos, and even code snippets directly into your notes. making it easy to review and retain information. Notion also allows you to create databases, tables, and Kanban boards, making it a versatile tool for organizing research, managing projects, and collaborating with others. It's like having a digital binder that's infinitely customizable and always accessible. Chapter 7. Google Scholar, your gateway to academic research. For students writing research papers or simply wanting to delve deeper into a particular subject, Google Scholar is an invaluable resource. This specialized search engine focuses specifically on academic literature, making it easy to find relevant articles, books, and conference papers. Imagine searching for information on a specific topic and being presented with a curated list of scholarly sources ranked by their relevance and impact. Google Scholar also provides citations for each source, making it easy to cite your research properly. But Google Scholar goes beyond simple searching. You can also set up alerts for specific keywords or authors, ensuring that you stay up to date on the latest research in your field. Title: Zotero, tame your citations and organize your research. Let's be honest, managing citations and creating bibliographies can be a tedious and time-consuming task. But with Zotero, it doesn't have to be. This free and open-source reference management software helps you collect, organize, and cite your research sources with ease. Imagine having a digital library where you can store all your research articles, books, and web pages. Zotero automatically extracts bibliographic information from these sources, so you don't have to manually enter it yourself. When it's time to write your paper, Zotero integrates seamlessly with your word processor, allowing you to insert citations and generate bibliographies in a matter of clicks. No more struggling with formatting or worrying about plagiarism. Zotero has you covered. Chapter 9. Kahoot, make learning fun and engaging. Who says learning can't be fun? Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that uses AI to create interactive quizzes, polls, and presentations. Teachers can use Kahoot to create engaging lessons, while students can use it to review material, test their knowledge, and compete with classmates. Imagine a classroom where students are actively participating, laughing and cheering as they answer questions and earn points. Kahoot makes learning interactive and enjoyable, helping students stay motivated and retain information more effectively. And it's not just limited to the classroom. Kahoot can be used for remote learning, corporate training, and even social gatherings. It's a versatile tool that makes learning fun and accessible for everyone. Chapter 10. Duolingo, your personalized language learning companion. Learning a new language can be a rewarding experience, but it can also be challenging. Duolingo makes the process fun and effective with its AI-powered language learning app. Imagine having a personalized language tutor that adapts to your learning pace, provides instant feedback, and keeps you motivated with gamified lessons and rewards. Duolingo's AI analyzes your learning patterns, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and tailors the lessons accordingly. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your language skills, Duolingo offers a fun and engaging way to achieve your language learning goals. Title: Ask Cody, your AI-powered coding assistant. For students interested in computer science, Ask Cody is an invaluable tool. This AI-powered coding assistant helps you write better code faster. Whether you're a beginner struggling with syntax or an experienced programmer looking for a more efficient way to code, Ask Cody can help. Imagine having a coding partner who can answer your questions, provide code suggestions, and even debug your code in real time. Ask Cody supports multiple programming languages, making it a versatile tool for any coding project. With Ask Cody by your side, you can spend less time wrestling with syntax errors, and more time focusing on the creative aspects of coding. Chapter 12. Code Combat, learn to code by playing games. What if you could learn to code while playing games? With Code Combat, you can. This innovative platform uses AI to teach coding concepts through interactive games and challenges. Imagine controlling your hero's actions by writing code, solving puzzles, and defeating enemies using your programming skills. Code Combat makes learning to code fun and engaging, especially for visual learners who thrive in interactive environments. With its gamified approach and personalized feedback, Code Combat makes coding accessible to learners of all ages and skill levels. Title: Embrace the future of learning with AI. AI is transforming education, offering personalized learning and simplifying tasks. From AI tutors like ChatGPT to game-based platforms like Kahoot, these tools revolutionize learning. Explore these tools to enhance your learning journey. Download our Smart Study Buddy app now and experience the future of learning. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips and tools. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.